Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Apple ID in PC. Now to do that, you need to open a Google browser first. Click open a browser and then open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in appleid.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Apple ID. Now once you're at the official web page, you move your mouse cursor to sign in over here. Click that. To sign in, you will need to provide your Apple ID over here. Type in your Apple ID details and then click on Next. Now then you provide the password. Click on Next. A message with a verification code will be sent to the mobile number of yours that you have used in the Apple ID. You need to wait for the code. Once you receive it, you type in that code on the text box. This will verify your phone number and your account as well. Once the verification is completed, you will be logged in. So this is how you can log in Apple ID in PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel for these similar videos. Thank you.